It was an enchanting autumn afternoon on Pride's Vineyard, but Riley and Tony weren't there. They were on Michigan's majestic Mackinac Bridge. It was November 14th, National Seatbelt Day, and they were volunteering for the Buckle Up Michigan event.
The cars have already paid at the toll booth ahead of you, so simply wish them Happy National Seatbelt Day. Remind them to buckle up and offer a brochure, okay? Y'all set over there, Tony?
I have some scintillating ideas brewing for how to make this the best seatbelt day ever.
Keep your radios on Channel 17. I'll be at the rest stop in the welcome tent.
That's where Brian is stationed, right?
Officer Bonnie to Brian. Do you copy? Over.
Loud and clear, Officer Bonnie. We are all set to greet...
Donuts.
You're all set to greet donuts?
A volunteer just delivered donuts. They smell heavenly.
Those donuts are for the travelers, right, Brian? Over. Brian?
Do you guys have donuts over there? I might fancy myself a raspberry dipsy-do if you, could spare a little sweet treat to eat.
I better get to the rest stop before Brian eats everything. Have fun and radio me with any questions.
Happy National Seatbelt Day, and oh my gosh, you're the Shorebirds!
They're the Shorebirds. I'm the manager, Marty. Are you a fan?
Golly, who isn't a fan of the Shorebirds?
Would you like their autographs?
Absolutely!
Boys, a fan!
Riley Wynn Pride.
Miss Riley Wynn Pride would like your autograph. And if you have another one of these traffic safety brochures, Riley Wynn Pride, I would like to keep one on the tour bus.
Of course, here you go.
And here you go, Miss Riley Wynn Pride. Now keep those seatbelts on, boys. It's National Seatbelt Day.
Thank you.
Hello, and happy National Seatbelt Day. Glad to see you're all buckled up there. And you, young man, are riding safe and sound in the booster seat. Looking good, champ. Oh, had that just lying around, huh? That kind of worked out. Not big talkers, but that little guy was, well prepared. Time for scintillating seatbelt safety stunt number 1. Balloon animals.
Balloon animals? For seatbelt safety?
What happens if you don't buckle up your balloon animal? Off she goes into the wild blue yonder.
You're not wrong there. What kind of animal are you making?
Salamander.
Salamander?
Salamander. One more little twist and... I'll get back to you. Over. Enjoy your time in Escanaba, and thanks for buckling up.
Home base to Tony. Over.
Tony to home base. What's the good word, Brian? Over.
Chili. They brought chili. A big, delicious vat of chili. Over.
Donuts and chili. Tread carefully, sport. That does not sound like an agreeable accommodation for your tummy. Over. Stay safe and stay buckled up, Michigan.
You're welcome, and happy National Seatbelt Day.
Home base to Riley and Tony. Over.
Riley here. Over.
Tony at your service. Over.
Your shift is just about over. I'll bring you back here to the welcome tent. Did you have fun?
Yeah, and I talked with someone who didn't know that wearing seatbelts is the law. They buckled up right away.
I heard about your balloon animals, and, well, I admire the effort.
Salamander was not a good idea. Next time, I'm going with a newt.
You both made a difference today. You helped Michigan buckle up, and that saves lives.
Where's Brian?
One of the volunteers brought tapioca pudding. Brian has been in the restroom for a while.
Tony to Brian, do you copy?
Yeah. Over.
Everything okay, pal?
You might want to steer clear of the tapioca. Over and out.